Gravitation. Have you ever thought that when we throw a ball up, why does it fall down? This is because Earth also has a force of attraction which is known as the gravitational force. And due to this force, Earth attracts everything towards it. Falling down apple from a tree, falling of rainwater from sky to Earth, etc. happens due to the gravitational force of Earth. Universal law of gravity. The universal law of gravity was given by Newton. Universal law of gravitation states that in each and every object in this universe, there is the force of attraction between them, which is called the gravitational force, that is always directly proportional to the masses and indirectly proportional to the square of the distance between them. Suppose two bodies A and B of masses m1 and m2 are lying at a distance d, and if the force of attraction between them is F, then according to the universal law, the force between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses, and the force between two bodies is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Therefore, the gravitational force is F1 is equal to F2 is equal to G m1 into m2 upon r square.